Hello everyone, in this video I'm sharing 3 tips for using drawings in Canva. At first, adding a drawing to a photo to make it your own. Second, a drawing to represent what you want to say. And at last, a drawing to highlight important text. When you would like to learn more about editing photos, subscribe to my channel to see my next recent updates. But for now, let's continue with this subject. When you are in a template, it looks like this. And to find the option to draw, you go to More at the left right here. And then you will see here that it says Draw with a pencil with Popular. So when you can't find this option, you just search in the search bar for Draw and you also find it. So then you click on it. And now you see it doesn't do anything yet. But if I click on a pencil, you could start drawing. And remember that when you click on Done right here, up above, it saves your drawing. So let's try something. We have come to the first tip, a photo to make it your own. So I have here a nice template that I could use to share on social media. And it already has a unique touch because of the smiley you sort of can see here. But let's say we want to make the sky look brighter. You have here this option to let your drawings shine. So if I click on it, you can see here that I could change the size of the brush. Now it's a little bit bigger. So I'm going to draw some clouds. I will make it as white as possible. And because it is so shiny, it looks like the sun is shining through them. So you click on Done. And now you see that these two are one element together. You can move them around. That's just one element. And now to make it more visible, I could draw a line around it. But I don't think that this looks really nice. So I'm going to search in Elements at the left right here for Cloud. And here you have a nice graphic that has a nice shape. I can even change the color right here. Make it a little bit bigger. And here you have an idea what you could do with your own imagination, of course. Next, a drawing to represent what you want to say, because you could just draw every part you want to explain. You could use it for a presentation, for example, and keep your copyrights and no one will complain. And at last, you created something unique, what others mostly will appreciate. So my third tip is that you can highlight your document that has important information. You do this with the highlighter right here, and you could adjust the size a bit and the transparency, and then you just draw it. And you can still read what it says. You could choose every color you like, and with this you could erase what you want. So I hope these tips were useful for you, and if you have any questions, let me know below in the comments and I will get back to you. I hope you enjoy making your own DIY photo.